Whilst Dragon Metals here, I'm going to be quickly showing you how to make some copper eye hooks, clasps, out of old bits of offcuts from making other jewellery. These will be used to hold together necklaces and such. Made from these. Just offcuts of copper from other things I have made and chopped up. As you can see, there is quite a lot there. This is just from transformers and small inducers and such. Lots of material. I've already made quite a few there, as you can see. So, I'll quickly show you how to make them. Try to put it a bit more this way, it's kind of dark. No, you can't see that from there. Move my shadow. Yeah, that's better. It's quite simple to make these. Just a couple of bends, although you may need a guide, in which case you should just use a spherical object like a pen or a screwdriver, whatever size hook loop you require. You may also need to cut it to size as the first loop. Now you bend it the other way this time. Oops. Cut it to length if it's a bit too long. That can happen sometimes. Done. Now you can use that and easily open it with the pliers or whatever in order to hold a necklace or a bracelet together. And close it back up also. So little copper eye hooks. You can make these in different colours depending what kind of copper you're using. Be making a bright copper one now. This is a quick short video. Also makes a little infinity shape, I guess. Infinity symbol. And that's how to make copper eye hooks. Clasps. There they all are. Just made a couple, so you have a good idea of how to make them. Very simple. Whoops. Till next time.